a wireless gaming keyboard that redefines affordability. Priced at just $69, this keyboard offers great value for its price, with a decent-sized gaming keyboard and great wireless functionality. It comes with Gaterin mechanical switches, which make it smooth to type on and responsive to your commands. The build quality is impressive, and its triple device connectivity makes it easy to switch between devices or locations throughout the day. Although it may feel like a cheap keyboard at times, the Keychron K2 still offers impressive features for its price point. The switches may not be the best of the market, but they still provide a decent typing experience. This keyboard is perfect for those who are looking for an entry-level mechanical keyboard, and for those who are working from home